welcome to our in-depth look at the 2024 Subaru Forester, presented by Peoria Subaru. Today, we'll be exploring the impressive features that make this SUV stand out in its class. Let's dive right in. Starting with the exterior, the 2024 Forester boasts a bold and refined design. Its clean lines and athletic stance give it a strong presence on the road. The LED headlights provide excellent visibility, and the distinctive hexagonal grille gives it that unmistakable Subaru look. Stepping inside, you'll find a spacious and comfortable cabin that seats 5 passengers. The high-quality materials and ergonomic design create a welcoming environment. The large windows provide excellent visibility, enhancing the driving experience. The Forester is equipped with Subaru's advanced infotainment system. The touchscreen display offers intuitive controls for navigation, audio, and smartphone integration. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, ensuring seamless connectivity with your devices. Safety is a top priority for Subaru, and the 2024 Forester is packed with advanced features. The EyeSight Driver Assist technology provides a range of safety systems, including adaptive cruise control, pre-collision braking, and lane departure warning. Additionally, the Forester earned top marks in crash tests, making it a reliable choice for your family. The Forester comes with a host of cutting-edge technology options. The available driver-focused distraction mitigation system uses facial recognition to alert the driver if signs of distraction or drowsiness are detected. There's also an available Harman Kardon premium audio system, delivering a superior audio experience. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful yet efficient engine. The Forester's symmetrical all-wheel drive system provides exceptional traction and stability in various driving conditions. The Subaru Boxer engine ensures a smooth and responsive performance, while also offering impressive fuel efficiency. Need ample cargo space? The Forester has you covered. With the rear seats folded down, you get a generous amount of cargo space, perfect for fitting all your gear for that weekend getaway or a trip to the grocery store. The 2024 Subaru Forester is a versatile and reliable SUV that excels in both performance and safety. With its impressive features and Subaru's commitment to quality, it's a vehicle you can trust. Be sure to stop by Peoria Subaru and pick up your brand new Forester today.